Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rakesh. Now we are going to discuss about what here method one. Right. Here method one is what here. In second unit, in higher order differential equation, we are discussing method one. Here the method one is what here. Let f of d into y equals to q of x be any higher order differential equation, and where q of x equal to what here, e power ax, q of x equal to e power ax, right, q of x equal to e power ax, then yp of given differential equation is, right. So we know that yp equals to what here, yp equals to 1 by f of d into q of x, and here the q of x is what, e power ax, then yp equals to 1 by f of d into e power ax. In this case, then what will be our yp here, right? Nana? See, here two cases will be there. That is, first case, if f of a is not equal to 0. What is f of a is not equal to 0? Whatever the polynomial here we are getting, f of d we are getting na, in this d, in this polynomial, in the place of d, what we are substituting here, a we are substituting. If you are substituting a in this polynomial, if you are not getting 0, that is the case 1. If you are substituting in place of d, if you are substituting a in place of d, if you are getting 0, means that will be the case 2 here, right? In case 1, if f of a is not equal to 0, then what will be our yp here, right? So yp in case of f of a is not equal to 0, yp equals to 1 by f of d into e power ax. The yp is what here? Nothing. We just replace f of d by a, 1 by f of a into e power ax. Then we will calculate this by substituting of d. We are in the place of d we are substituting a. By calculating this, we will get the value of yp here, right? In case of f of a is not equal to 0. Come to the second case. Second case is what here? If f of a is equal to 0, then what will be our yp here? See, that means in this polynomial, if we are substituting a in this polynomial, in the polynomial of d, we are substituting in the place of d, we are substituting a, we should get 0 here, right? So that means 1 by 0 means infinity will get. So that means we'll get will not get any solution here, right? So what we have to do here in this case, in this type of cases, first we need to split f of d into the factors form. So I am splitting this f of d into factors form of what here, d minus a whole power k into pi of d. I am splitting here. See, d minus a. See, if a is satisfying this polynomial, means what? Nothing but obviously we can assume that, we can know that a is the one of the root of this polynomial. So whatever the root, that means what here? Only one root of this polynomial should be equals to a here. So that's why I am taking what here, d minus a whole power k into pi of d here, right? Then our yp becomes what here? I am splitting this f of d into the factors form. Now I am writing the yp here. Yp becomes what here, beta? 1 by f of d. F of d I am writing in the form of what here? D minus a whole power k into pi of d I am writing here. In this type of cases, we can write yp as what? X power k by k factorial into e power ax by pi of a, where pi of a should not be equals to 0 here, right, Nana? So this will be the formula here. Where I am taking here, see, which root getting 0, that root power I am taking as k here. So and pi of d I am writing here, right? D minus a to the power of k into pi of d should be equals to, our yp becomes what here? X power k by k factorial into e power ax by pi of a. So this will be the formula here in second case, right? Okay. Now these are the formulas here. will solve one problem based on this method 1, right? Okay. If you want to note down these formulas, you just pause the video and write it down. Okay, now we'll see one problem. Right. Right. Here our given problem is what here? Find the general solution of differential equation d plus 2 into d minus 2 whole square into y equals to 2 sin hx. Right? Okay. So this is what here, Nana? This is the given differential equation. Now we need to find the general solution for this given differential equation. Right? Here solution d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square y equals to 2 sin hx. Right, beta? 2 sin hx is what here? Equation 1. Comparing equation 1 by f of d into y equals to q of x. Here f of d equals to what here, beta? F of d equals to d plus 2 d minus 1 whole square, and q of x equal to what here? 2 sin hx. Right, 2 sin hx. Q of x equals to. Now if I want to find the general solution for this, first I need to find what here? Yc and yp. Here we need to find. Why we are finding yc and yp here? The general solution of equation, higher order differential equation is what here? Y equal to yc plus yp. So first of all we need to find what here, Nana? First of all we need to find yc. Right. To find yc, first we need to write what here? Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation of f of d is what? F of m equals to 0. Nothing but in the place of d we need to substitute m. Right? We should make this polynomial as equation. Right? In the place of d I am substituting m here. So what I will get here, Nana? M plus 2 m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So we can write what here, beta? M plus 2 equals to 0, m minus 1 whole square equals to 0. So that means this I can write what here? M minus 1 equal to 0 and m minus 1 equal to 0. So I can write m equal to minus 2, and from this 2 I am getting what here, beta? M equals to 1 comma 1. Why? Because here we this factor having square. So this gets what here, beta? 1 comma 1. Here that means what here? We should get 3 roots, right? So all roots are real and 2 roots are same. Right? Then yc becomes what here, Nana? You know that how to write the yc. In previous videos we have discussed about writing of yc here, right, Nana? So here only one root is different. So that is what here I am taking. C1 e to the power of minus 2x plus these 2 roots are same. So how I am writing here? C2 plus C3 into x e power x. Right, Nana? E power 1x means x only, right? So this will be the yp here. Let us assume this will be the equation 2. Right? Let us assume this will be the equation 2. Now finding of yp, where yp equals what, Nana? Yp equals to, we know that 1 by f of d into q of x. 1 by f of d into q of x. So here yp equals to 1 by f of d means what here? D plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square. Q of x equal to what here? 2 sine hx, right? 2 sine hx, right beta? Right, 2 sine hx. So here see, here actually this is sine hx. Now we are discussing about what here, nana? E power ax. Our q of x, our q of x, this function should be in exponential function, right? But here what we are getting here? Trigonometric function here I am getting. So how I am changing this? See, yp equals to d plus 2 into d minus 1. We know hyperbolic function sin hx should be, we can written as what here, nana? E power x minus e power minus x by 2, right? Can I write like this by using a formula? Sin hx equal to what here, beta? E power x minus e power minus x by 2. So I am using this formula and writing like this. So this two gets cancelled, right? Now yp equals what here, beta? 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square of e power x minus e power minus x. I am multiplying this bracket. So what I will get here, nana? 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power x minus 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power minus x. So what I am doing here, let here two parts are there, no? So what I am doing here, I am dividing this yp into two parts. So I am taking this as yp1 plus yp2. This first yp becomes first part, this second yp becomes what, nana? Second part. If we are both we are adding these two, what I will get here? Final yp I should get here, right? So now I am finding what here, nana? yp1 equals what here? 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square equals to e power x. See here, in this I am substituting a equals what here? Nothing. Coefficient of x is what here? 1. So 1 equals a equals to 1 here. If I am substituting in the place of d, I am substituting 1 means what here, beta? This factor becomes what here? 3, and this factor becomes what here? 0. 0 into something means we'll get 0 here. So that means what here, beta? F of a is equals to 0. For this yp what I am getting here, f of a equal to 0. So I know that in this type of situation we use second case. In second case, what is our formula here, beta? In second case, 1 by d minus a whole power k into pi of d e power ax equals to what here, beta? In this type of cases, yp is what here? Yp is what here? X power k by k factorial into e power ax by pi of a, right? Which parts should not be equals to 0? That becomes what here, nana? Pi of a. If I am substituting 1 in this factor, right, this will not get 0. So that means let us assume this will be what here? Pi of a. Which factors get 0? That is what here? That should be equals to d minus a. If I am substituting 1 in this factor, what I will get here, beta? 0 I will get. So this factor should be equals to what here? D minus a. And the power of this factor becomes what here? K. Here k equals what here? 2. Right? Now I am taking every value in this formula. So what I will get here, nana? Same, x is x. K means what here? d minus a power becomes what here k, so d minus 1 power is what here 2, so square by 2 factorial into e power ax. E power ax means same as it is I need to take here, so e power x I am taking here, right, by pi of a. Pi of a means what here in this I need to substitute what here a equal to 1, so d equal to 1, so 1 plus 2 becomes what here 3. Pi of a equals what here beta 3. So finally yp1 I what I am getting here, x square into e power x by 2 factorial means 2 into 3 is what here 6. So I got my first yp1, right Nana? So here now we need to find what here yp2. Now yp2 equals to what here beta, yp2 equals to, we know that here we got positive, in this we'll get negative, so yp2 equals what here 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power minus x, right. Here our a equal to what here Nana, a equals to minus 1. If I am substituting minus 1 any one of the root, I should not get 0. So here the condition is what here, f of a is not equal to 0, so that means I need to follow the first case. So f of a is not equal to 0 means what here, I need to replace d by a, so here a equal to what here minus 1 I am replacing here, so what I am getting here beta, so in this d means I need to substitute minus 1 plus 2 same as it is, right. In this d means what here minus 1 of minus 1 whole square e power minus x, right. Okay, so this becomes what here 1 by minus 1 plus 2 1 only into minus 1 minus 2 whole square becomes what here beta 4 e power minus x. Finally 1 into 4 is what here 4 e power minus x by 4. Our yp2 is what here our yp2 is what here Nana, here our yp2 becomes what here e power minus x by 4. Now actually here we want to find what here yp value, right. Yp should be divided into 2 parts, right. 2 parts means what here Nana, see yp equals what here yp1 plus yp2, so here adding I am 2 yp's here, so what I will get here, first yp1 yp equals to, so here first yp1 is what here yp1, right, this yp1 equals to this, right, x square e power x by 6, x square e power x by 6 minus of see in this function we are having whatever but a minus we are having, right. So before of this minus we are having, so that's why I am keeping minus here. So what I will get here, minus of yp2 is what here Nana, e power minus x by 4. Finally I got what here Nana, I got my yp here. Now we got our yp and yc also. Now I need to find what here, general solution. GS means general solution of equation 1 is what here Nana, y equals to yc plus yp, right. So here y equals to our yc is what here Nana, our yc this side only, right. Our yc is what here, c. Yc means what here, c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 plus c3x e power x, right. So that will be our yp. I am writing yc here. So yc equals what here Nana, c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 plus c3 x into e power x, right. And yp means what here, yp equals to plus x square e power x by 6 minus e power minus x by 4. So this will be the our required solution. Right, Nana? Like this we need to solve the method 1 problems. Got it? Okay. Thank you.